Resulta, yan ang hatid ng PNP sa sambayanan. Ayon kay PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., mas palalakasin ng PNP at gagawin itong mas matalino, mabilis sa pagtugon sa mga operasyon, kaakibat na rin ang teknolohiya at pinahusay na command and control. Sa ginanap na flag ceremony Lunes ng umaga, inilahad ng PNP Chief ang mga nagawa at nagpagtagumpayang operasyon ng mga kapulisan, kasama na rito ang mga nahuling wanted na mga individual na nasasangkot sa sexual assault, pagpatay at iligal na droga.
Our personnel have achieved major gains. We arrested 7 most wanted persons, include high-value individuals charged with serious crimes such as sexual assault, murder, and illegal drugs. The Highway Patrol Group intercepted 221 million worth of misdeclared cargo. Our anti-illegal drugs campaign yielded 31.6 million in seized drugs, illegal large-scale marijuana eradication in Benguet, and targeted Shabu bypass in Iloilo. In Zamboanga City, police confiscated 31 million worth of smuggled cigarettes. These operations show that intelligence-driven, decisive, and relentless policing is protecting our communities. We are also strengthening our organizations. Smarter, faster, and more responsive operations anchored on technology, improved command and control, and closer coordination with units and partners are now standard.
Hindi ni Nartates na kahit paman pulis ang masangkot sa krimen o hindi ito ipagwawalang bahala dahil ang mga maling gawain ng iilan ay makakaapekto sa mas nakararami.
When a police officer betrays public trust, there will be immediate and serious consequences. The actions of a few can damage the reputation of the many. Every breach of trust will be addressed with swiftly and fairly. Hindi tayo maaaring humingi ng disiplina sa publiko kung hindi natin ito maipatutupad sa ating sarili. Hindi tayo maaaring magsalita ng integridad kung hindi natin ito isasabuhay.